In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise the payment threshold for Facebook ads. This can be a crucial step if you're managing large advertising campaigns and want to streamline your billing process. Setting a higher payment threshold can help you avoid frequent billing interruptions, allowing your ads to run seamlessly. Let's go through the steps together, and by the end, you'll be all set. First things first, it's important to access your Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by simply searching for Facebook Ads Manager through your preferred search engine. Once you've found the link, go ahead and click on it. This will transport you directly to the Ads Manager's login page, so make sure you have your Facebook login credentials ready, enter your email and password as you normally would, and then click the login button to access your account. Once you're in your Ads Manager dashboard, you'll need to navigate to your campaigns dashboard. This is where all your campaign data is displayed, giving you a comprehensive view of your ads performance. But today our focus is on financials, so hang tight for that. Now look towards the menu and you should see an option for billing and payments. Go ahead and click on that to begin making changes to your billing settings. It's a straightforward step, yet crucial for the adjustments we're about to make. After entering the billing and payments section, you'll need to locate the payment settings. This area houses all your billing details, including the current payment threshold. Below the section where your current balance is displayed, you can usually find your payment threshold setting. This is the amount at which you are billed for your ad spend. To adjust it, look for the pencil icon. That's the key to unlocking the editable fields. Clicking on the pencil icon allows you to modify the threshold. Enter your desired new payment threshold amount in the space provided. This could be higher if you want less frequent billing, accommodating larger budgets without disruption. After making your changes, don't forget to hit save. This is crucial to finalize and implement your new threshold settings. Be aware that lowering your payment threshold will take effect immediately. This means your account will start adhering to these new parameters right away. On the other hand, if you decide to increase your threshold, it may take a little more time for Meta to process these changes. So don't worry if you don't see the effects instantly. And there you have it, you've successfully adjusted your payment threshold on Facebook ads. This quick process can provide more control and efficiency over your ad billing, allowing you to focus more on campaign performance and strategy. Thanks for following along and enjoy your enhanced ad management experience.